Hola guys, how are you doing? All good? I've decided to make a new video for you guys. This time I want to talk about my favorite music which I'm listening during my workout. I've different various songs which I'm listening when I'm heading to the gym. I think it's also the same for you guys. If you are going to the gym, then you are putting your headphones on and then fully focused doing your workouts during the day. So yes, I thought it's maybe a good idea to share my favorite top 10 songs at this moment, which I'm listening during my workout. Yes, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. Yes, it's a good place. One of my favorite places to be. When I'm cooking my stuff, following my diet, and yes. So let's start, guys. So I've made a top 10 for you, and later on I will put this top 10 also under my subscription, so you can always check, and if you like it you can listen it back again, or download it. I will start with number 10 and then we will go up to number 1. I hope you like it, you enjoy it, so please let me know, guys. Okay, so my number 10 at this moment is DJ Enheim. DJ Enheim, it's a female DJ. She's very good. I like her style of music very much. And number 10 is Enheim with In the End. It's a good song which I like very much. My number 9 is Scripes with Defense with Vol gas met die bas. It's a Dutch number. Vol gas met die bas. It means literally from Dutch to English full gas with the gas. It's also a very strong number which I like very much. Before I continue, guys, with number 8 and then above, my top 10 at this moment is all hardstyle slash hardcore numbers. Yes, I'm listening this kind of music at the gym at this moment. I've discovered for myself that this kind of songs are giving me a lot of energy, lot of boost, and motivation, extra motivation, because I've always motivation when I'm heading to the gym. So when I'm listening to this kind of songs, it gives me extra motivation, guys. So that's the reason, that my top 10 is yes, all of them are hardstyle slash hardcore music. Okay, let's continue, guys. Number 8, it's also a Dutch number. It's Outsiders with the Dark Raver and Je Broer, and the number is called Helicopter, also a strong number. Number 7 is Anger Fist with Miss K8 with the number Bogota. Number 6 is Nosferatu, I hope I pronounce it correctly, with The Watcher, and the number is called Primo. It's a very strong number. I like this number very much. It's it's like the energy of this number is really crazy. It's building up from the beginning, and in the middle the tune is a little bit changing, getting more stronger or harder, I would say. It's very good number, so definitely if you have time, guys, listen it to this number. Okay, number 5, guys, is also Anger Fist with Miss K8, but with another number. This number is called Impact. Yes, also very good number, very strong, and yes, meaningful number for me. Number 4 is Enheim, DJ Enheim. She was also in my list before. And number 4 is Enheim with Your Dreams. This number is very motivational for me, because in this number you hear it's like a motivational number. Someone is talking in this number. It's very motivational, talking about your dreams, your goals. That's why it gives me so much motivation when I'm at the gym. I hear this speech, this motivational talk of this person, and gives me the extra energy, to push it harder. Okay, guys, so we are now in my top 3 at this moment. Let's start with the number 3. Number 3 is Distorted Revelation. Distorted Revelation. And the number is called Amnesia. Amnesia, very good number. I like this DJ or DJs, you know, it's they have good tunes, which I like very much. Number 2 is also of Distorted Revelation, but with another number, with the number Bullshit. This number is, in this number you also hear a conversation, you know, between a man and a woman. I think it's of a movie probably. I don't know which movie. So if you know this conversation, of it's you know, familiar for you, then please let me know in the comments. It's very interesting for me to know from which part of a movie this conversation is. Very strong number, guys. Yes, if you have time, I would recommend everyone to listen this song. It's very amazing. I like it very much. And yes, so we are now at my number one at this moment, which I'm listening very often at the gym. So it's of Radical Redemption with Digital Punk, and the number is called Cola Domina. Cola Domina. It's the reason is why I like this song is because it's also, you know, building up so greatly. It's starting slow, you know, slow, and then it's building up, you know, the tune is changing, and it's getting more harder, more louder, and then you know, after the middle part, the beat just drops, and yes, guys, it's really a nice number. So yes, that's my top 10, guys. If you like it, please yes, mention it in the comments. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'm also, to be honest, curious to your top 10, you know, songs, or top 5 songs that you are listening during your workout. Let me know, guys, you know, if you have also a list with songs, because I'm always open for new songs. I'm always open to discover new songs. That's why yes, when I'm at home, I'm always trying to discover new songs, new motivational songs for my workout. Okay, guys, so that's my video. Soon, yes, I will make another video. I will talk about my goals for next year, because yes, I have goals with the gym. I want to achieve something for next year. Yes, but I will talk about that in another video. Then I will explain, you know, what my goal is. I'm now already working on my goal for the next year. I'm following a diet for my, you know, for my meal and also for my workout. I have a coach on distance, so he's helping me very well. But yes, I will talk about this in details in another video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy your day, and if you are heading to the gym, you know, put that headphones on, you know, the volume on the loudest, and yes, crash the gym, you know, guys. So yes, take care. See you. Ciao.